Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, today's video is my BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is the first month that I subscribed to BoxyCharm, and in the first month that you subscribed, first of all, for the people that don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a makeup subscription. Every month you get a box with 5 to 6 full-size products depending on their price, and you pay only 20 to 23 bucks per box. And this is the BoxyCharm base box. So when you subscribe in the first month, you get 2 boxes, one for the month that you subscribed in and one for the month that is next. This is my second box, but it was too late to film the April box, so that's why I'm just filming the May box. Yeah, I'm just gonna unbox this box and I'm gonna tell y'all all the products, and I'm gonna use the products to create this makeup look. Let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. This month's theme is like a nice florally, springy vibe, I feel. So please excuse my hair. I had a hair bath today, so the day I have a hair bath, my hair does not cooperate with me. So quickly moving into the first product in my box is this Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. I was super excited when I saw this in the box. I love First Aid Beauty skincare, and this is formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone, and long lasting makeup when used as a prep step. So I used this before my makeup today and it definitely does what it says it does. I saw a lot of blurring effect and very like it's slightly tinted, I feel, so it did give that radiant look to the skin, which I love. About it increasing the makeup wear time, I will have to see because I just did this look, so I wouldn't be able to comment on that, but I will definitely update you guys on my stories. This was one of the good ones in this box. Next up is this Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and I must say I didn't expect the performance it gave me. Basically, I'm not wearing any highlight today on my cheeks or here, only on my nose bridge and the tip of my nose. So supposed to go underneath your concealer or on the high points of your face and collarbones and stuff like that. It's basically an illuminator. It's a concealer and illuminator mixed. It also has this little sponge, travel size kind of a sponge, which is damn cute. The packaging is very smart. I don't know how they got my shade right, or whether this comes just in one shade. That would be very sad if this comes only in one shade. I definitely enjoyed this underneath my concealer. It says to use it underneath your Tarte Shape Tape, and I do own one, so I used it with that and I loved the effect. As I said, I'm not wearing any highlight, so y'all can see for yourself. Next up, we got this Cab Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I don't know if y'all see it too, but there is a major resemblance with the Huda Beauty Dessert palette. If I'm not wrong, it's a very similar color story. They were okay. I mean, for the price point, this retails for 52. I'd rather go with the Huda Beauty palette because I feel like they're more creamier and more pigmented. But this was okay. Like in a BoxyCharm box, I feel like it's completely fine. They weren't out of the world. Like this is the eyeshadow look that I created using this. The shimmers are also fine. I mean, I didn't use it with any fixing spray, but they were okay. Nothing like mind-blowing, but it's a good palette to have, and I feel like these are very wearable colors. You can get like an everyday look or a full-on glam look using these. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's nice. Next up, and the last product for this month, is this smoky eye pencil, Haze Smoky Eye Pencil by Tint, and this is the swatch for it. I'm wearing it in my lower lash line, and I was very happy to get like a green eye pencil in this month's box because these are not the colors I usually go for, but it forces me to go outside of my comfort zone and try out new looks like these. This was extremely creamy and extremely pigmented, and I have this swatch. It's not really like, I mean, very little, but who's gonna sit and rub it like that? So it's decent, I feel. It's looking absolutely stunning with the orange. Yeah, this was also one of the good products in this month's box, and I really enjoyed using it. It was creamy. Has not smudged still. So yeah, this was also one of the good products in this month's box. So the total for this month's box was $154. This eyeshadow palette being the most expensive. This one was for 30 bucks, which is amazing because this I really loved, and I got it for almost like nothing. And oh, I completely forgot, I also had this Hot Toddy Heat Protectant by Drybar, and I was super duper excited when I saw this in the box because I always forget to like invest in one. The Tresemme one is my go-to from the drugstore, but this is extremely high end and this retails for $27. I was super excited, and I used it today before I blow dried my hair. And you know how like your hair becomes extremely poofy? That didn't happen. I don't know if it was this, and it smells divine. So this also was a part of this box and I completely forgot, and I really enjoyed using that. Drybar is like extremely high end, so it's amazing to have this in the box. Everything in this box is decent. You only pay $25 and you're getting products worth $154, which is crazy. So yeah, all in all, I feel this box was really good. So this is the look I created, and that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing, and if you all did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys again. Bye.